calling me again? I was about to go out now. Eh? My son. Hello, Prince. Yeah, mommy is good. How much do you need today? Yes, I know that is the next thing you are going to ask me. Mommy, send money. Mommy, I need money. Mommy, this. Mommy, money. Money, money. No, I'm not angry with you, my son. I will send you the money. I told you the other time, buy garlic. Buy raw garlic. Anytime they call you, yes, buy raw garlic. Eat raw garlic. Those girls that are running after you here and there. Eh? Today, 10-star restaurants. Tomorrow, 5-star restaurant. The other day, 20-star restaurant. Eh? It's not a crime to give birth to a handsome son now. Eh? Just buy garlic. Anytime they call you, eat raw garlic and go to them. Yeah. So when they are close to you, just say, oh, yawn. Yawn. When you yawn, that smell, Yes. Just yawn when you are close to them. I bet you they will not come closer to you for the next 3 days. Then your money will be safe. Your money will be safe. Yes. This is not a laughing matter. Okay, my son. Yes. I will send the money. Yeah. Love you too. Bye. Parents, especially our mothers that give birth to fine bobos. All the girls are running after them. Here and there, left and right, everywhere. And they cannot save their money because they are always jumping from one restaurant to another, lavishing their money. Yes. This is my advice to you, mother. Tell your sons to eat raw garlic. So when those girls come, let them just pretend as if they are yawning. Let the smell fill the air. I bet you they will save their money. This will work. Just try it. Thank me later.